Oftentimes these rooms that we build are the rooms that get used the most, the places where people are like building the most memories. So to be able to like go along that journey with them is really fulfilling.
Quality Concepts in the last 12 years has grown into one of the province's leaders in the supply and install of the Screenroom and three-season sunroom products.
The business started from Travis and his dad's farm, and any farmers just overbuild everything.
I like to joke that I've graduated from the school of Ron Drager, which is my dad. He's overbuild, don't underbuild. Do it right if you're gonna do it. There was never shortcuts with my dad, and that's the way we treat our clients.
We're a smaller company, right? So we rely on word of mouth and customer satisfaction. So that's like huge for us as far as advertising and like marketing go. Deliver a good product to the customer that you can be proud of at the end of the day. So we have our 3-season windows, we do motorized screens, we do just our regular fixed panels, patio covers, we do just standalone gazebos as well.
I think we're unique because this is all we do. We do screens, we do gazebos, everything's specific, it's custom. So you can go to the store and buy a screen room, but it's not going to be the same as what we do for you.
We stand to do their job correctly, and that's why we have the reputation that we have. Quality is just absolutely top of mind, and we're not looking to grow and scale without having that.
Also the attitude of like, yeah, we'll figure this out. We're not just a cookie cutter company.
We're constantly out in the Whiteshell and Winnipeg, Winkler, Morden, Portage.
We service this area, and we have everything we need stocked in our own shop in Morris, Manitoba, 40 minutes from Winnipeg.
Before I was hired, Jamie told me that one of their goals was when you come to work in the morning not to be a grind, having it feel more like a experience with your friends, not a drag through the day kind of thing. Quality comes out better because we're all in it and trying to make a good product for the company we have, yeah.
It takes hard work to do a good job, and seeing the finished product and seeing a happy customer really makes it all worth it.